Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do weekly love reading for Scorpio water sign for the month of December, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Okay guys, so let's see your messages, Scorpio. And your first card, King of Swords, Seven of Wands, the Star. Wow, I think you are a very honest person, Scorpio. Definitely you always speak truth, and you always straight forward, whatever, no matter whatever, you always straight forward, strive in nature. And Seven of Wands with the Star, definitely you are very defensive when things are not in your favor. It's very good nature. And the Star, definitely something, some hope in something. Definitely you will see something hope in, I think, in your relationship wise, or your person may be seeing something, they are still hoping this for this connection. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, definitely this relationship is going to be next level. That hope I am seeing. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius especially. So let's see some more. What is going? Messages, Scorpio water sign. Yeah, Hermit, the Moon, Devil. Yeah, I think your person may be still hoping for this connection. You cut them off. You are very straightforwarded. I already told you. I think you may be undergoing some spiritual awakening. I think there are some trust issues in this connection, some disturbances, some misunderstandings between you and your person, because the Moon is here. And I think you both are not talking to each other. For some there is separation also, for some there is no contact. The Moon, definitely there are some secrets hidden in this connection. I think your person may be hiding something from you, Scorpio. And the Devil, your person could be Capricorn also. I think your person may be obsessed over you, or you may be obsessed with your person, or you both are obsessed with each other. But definitely there is some deception or obsession is there. Or for some, one person in this connection may be addicted to some bad habits, some addiction. For some, you both are addicted to each other. It could be anything depending upon your situation, but one person is spiritually awakening right now. Let's see some more. Scorpio, Knight of Cups, Ace of Cups. Wow. Wow, some messages, some love. Yeah, your person, someone from past is coming towards you, definitely, because they have strong emotions for you. If your person did something wrong to you in past, definitely they want to say apology, and apology is coming with solid offer, Scorpio. Yeah, because Knight of Cups with Ace of Cups with Page of Cups. Wow, lot of love is there. Definitely your person loves you so much. If you are in no contact or less contact, definitely they have strong emotions for you. They want reconciliation because their love towards you is overflowing. So if you are in contact or union, definitely your person want to take this relationship to next level. They want commitment, they want marriage with you. Wow, they are coming back to you, but it is very slow moving energy. So let's see some more. Knight of Cups, your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energies here. Wheel of Fortune, Queen of Wands, Ten of Swords. Yeah, some cycles are going to be, and between both of you, some new cycles are going to be begin, because most of you will be reconciled, because your person have strong emotions and they're coming back, but you stand by your power. Queen of Wands, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius also, but things are turning in your favor, Scorpio. Definitely this is your time, and definitely you are very honest person, a very straightforward person, but your person coming back for you. So let's say your person current feelings and their near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity. What is going between you and your person? So let's see your person current feelings towards you. Justice, the World. Yeah, they are sad for the separation. They are feeling very, very sad. Scorpio and the world, and this could be long distance relationship. Definitely some cycles are going to be end between both of you. And Justice, they want second chance. Definitely they want second chance. They are coming back. They want to send some message. They want to say apology to you because they have strong emotions for you. After the separation, they realized your worth. Now they want second chance. Now they want you back. But you cut them off. You stand by your power. Definitely for some there is new beginnings. For some it's up to you, depending upon your situation. Let's see your person near future actions towards you. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Libra. So your person near future actions towards you. Nine of Pentacles, Five of Wands, Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, they are ready for fight. They are ready to fight for your attention. Five of Wands and Nine of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. I am getting like that they want to be financially stable before coming towards you, because they want to offer financial stability also to you. And Ace of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer this long-term commitment to you. They are thinking about this because without you they are feeling very, very sad. I want one more card. Yeah, strength. Yes, they are gaining back this strength to come towards you. You or your person could be Leo, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, definitely they want to offer long-term commitment to you. They are sad without you. They want second chance. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different city, different countries and different states. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Scorpio. Sorry for the disturbance, guys. Outside. Okay. Ace of Swords. Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Four of Swords. Three of Cups. Here I think there is no contact or less contact between both of you still is going, and in near future definitely there will be some communication open up between both of you. Ace of Swords. So one person right now is spiritual awakening. Virgo, you or your person could be. That's why there is here Four of Swords. But in near future definitely some communication will open up between both of you. I think Queen of Pentacles. Scorpio, you always very giving person in this connection, very sharing and caring person. You always give, but you don't get what you offer. That's why there is some separation is happened. You stand by your power, but now your person want to express their feelings to you. They want reunion with you because Three of Cups is here. But for some it could be third party also. If it is third party, please be careful before giving another chance to your person. For some it could be third party, for some maybe it is not. So depending upon your situation, but definitely your person has strong emotions for you. They are coming back with an apology. Definitely they are coming back, because in starting video there was Knight of Cups with Page of Cups with Ace of Cups. Definitely they have strong emotions and they want you back in their life. So let's see your overall energy for the week. Page of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Hanged Man and Knight of Swords. Definitely your person is rushing towards you, or you want to go towards your person. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Hanged Man, definitely you are also spiritually awakening. Four of Wands, definitely you also want this happiness with you, this celebration. You both could be twin flames also. 11 and 11. Page of Pentacles, definitely you will receive some communication, some messages from your person. And yeah, or you will make some move towards your person. You will send some message to your person. Energy could be vice versa. So you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Ace of Cups, the Moon, Ten of Pentacles and Emperor. Definitely they want to offer stability to this connection. And the Moon, still there are some disturbances between both of you, but there is love. Definitely your person loves you, because Ace of Cups is here. 2 times Ace of Cups. Definitely they love you, but there are some misunderstandings I am getting here. Scorpio, definitely there are some misunderstandings. because your person have very strong emotions for you. Lot of water energy is here. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or especially Pisces or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, this time they want to be honest with you. So if it is not third party, it is okay to give another chance to your person, Scorpio. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Bye.